So you're a content creator, and let's be real, that means you have two full-time jobs, coming up with amazing ideas and then the soul-crushing work of actually turning those ideas into videos. How many hours have you lost just staring at a blank page, trying to nail that perfect hook or write a script that people will actually stick around for? What if you could fire that part of your brain that acts as your idea guy and scriptwriter and replace it with an AI that does most of the heavy lifting for you? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact system I use to generate a month's worth of video ideas and solid first draft scripts, all in a single afternoon. This really is the end of content creation as you know it. Look, we both know you have great ideas for YouTube videos, but the thought of turning them into a full month of content is just exhausting, right? You spend days brainstorming, writing and rewriting, and you feel completely burnt out before you even think about hitting the record button. Creative burnout is one of the biggest reasons creators quit. You're stuck in a loop, forced to choose between quality and quantity, and your channel's growth just hits a wall. You end up posting whenever you can, feeling frustrated and wondering why your views are flatlining. But what if the problem isn't your creativity? What if the bottleneck is your process? What if the one thing that's supposed to be fun creating has turned into the biggest chore of all? What if you could spend one afternoon and walk away with 30 unique video ideas, each with a compelling script that's already 90% of the way there? I'm going to show you the ultimate AI-powered content system that automates the most draining parts of your workflow. This isn't about replacing your voice, it's about amplifying it by getting rid of all the friction that kills your creative spark. With this system, you can finally get back to what you actually love, getting in front of the camera and talking to your audience. So how does it actually work? It's a simple 3-step process using an AI tool like ChatGPT. Step 1, the idea multiplier. First things first, we are getting rid of the blank page forever. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, you're going to give the AI one simple command. Just open ChatGPT and type a prompt like this. My YouTube channel is about, your niche goes here. My audience is, your audience goes here. Generate 30 unique video ideas about your core topic. I want a mix of trending topics and evergreen content. And just like that, you have a list of more video ideas than you'll know what to do with. No more guessing what to film next week. You've got a content plan for the entire month. Step 2, the viral scriptwriter. Next, scan that list and pick a title that gets you excited. Now, let's turn that idea into a full script. You'll use another prompt, something like this. Act as an expert, YouTube scriptwriter. Write a detailed 5-minute video script for the title, your video title. The tone should be informative and engaging. Structure it with a strong hook, 3 main points, and a conclusion with a call to action. The AI will generate a structured script that you can use as a fantastic starting point. It often gives you a solid draft that you just need to polish with your own personality. It can even suggest B-roll shots to make your video more dynamic. Step 3, the automation engine. The final step is where you really build momentum. You just repeat step 2 for as many ideas as you want. In a single afternoon, you can batch create an entire month's worth of scripts. You're no longer working video by video, you're building a content machine that works for you, giving you back your most valuable asset, your time. To make this even easier for you, I've put together a cheat sheet with my top 5 AI prompts for generating viral video ideas. These are the exact prompts I use to get the ball rolling. The link is right down in the description and it's totally free. With a system like this, you stop being a slave to the content grind and start being a content architect. The days of struggling for ideas and wrestling with scripts are over. You can now produce the foundation for a month of high-quality, engaging content in the time it used to take you to make just one video. You get to focus on filming, growing your channel, and connecting with your community while the AI handles the grunt work. Now, go get your time back.